In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable grammar and spell check assistance in Microsoft Edge, step by step. This is a really useful feature if you want Edge to help you catch typos, improve your writing, and make sure your messages, emails, and web forms look more polished. It only takes a moment to turn on, and once it's enabled, it can help you write more confidently across the web. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings and options menu. From there, click on settings. Inside the settings page, look for the languages section. You can usually find this in the left-hand menu or by searching for it if needed. Click languages to open the language-related options for Edge. Now, inside the languages settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Use Grammar and Spell Check Assistance. This is the feature that gives you writing help while you type in supported text fields and websites. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch to the on position. Once it is enabled, Edge will begin assisting with grammar and spelling suggestions wherever the feature is supported. If you're using multiple languages, this can be especially helpful for catching mistakes as you write online. After turning it on, you can close the settings tab and start typing on any website or form to see the assistance in action. Depending on the site you're on, you may see underlines or suggestions that help you correct errors before you submit your text. And that's it. Grammar and spell check assistance is now enabled in Microsoft Edge. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in your day-to-day browsing and writing. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.